Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Samya and you're watching Blended Drama with BYB. So, today I'm gonna blend with a very interesting, or I should say trendy topic, that is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Soumya and you are watching Blending Drama with BYB, Akka Backyard Blender. So today I'm gonna blend with a very trending topic and I'm gonna take a challenge, and that is I reviewed worst makeup artist or whatever that is. So I'm gonna take a challenge today and let's see how it goes. So what I did, I actually searched on web and I found this makeup artist and found very bad comments for her. So I thought that I should try that makeup artist, and I called her and I asked to come to my place, and I'm all dressed up and let's see. It's been an hour and she hasn't showed up, and this shows how unprofessional she is in her work. And I already told her that I have a function to attend and I don't know when she'll come. I'm calling and she's saying 5 minutes, 5 minutes. I don't know what's gonna happen.
So I'm going to tell you guys what she did after she arrived, because that's what I'm going to tell you. So first she moisturized with very light hands, and I was smiling because when I'm doing something wicked I can't control. So I don't know, as far as I remember, she didn't use any foundation for my face. She actually used concealer for my whole face, and I don't think that's good, but somehow it was matching my face, and it's okay. I don't know anything about makeup, so whatever you do, it's good for me. And I was continuously looking what she is doing, and I was very sneaky. And then she used loose powder for baking, and she was obsessed with baking. You will see later in the video as well. And I was continuously questioning her, and she was quite funny too. She was good. And then she again started to bake my face, and she was really obsessed, and she used very light hands. She really, trust me, that's sarcastic. And then suddenly she started to use eyeshadow, green eyeshadow, with her finger, and then I questioned that, are you gonna use brush or something? Then she said, yeah, of course I'm gonna use brush, but first I'll be using eyeshadow with fingers because it blends properly. And I was okay, but I highly doubt that she was going to use. But as I asked her to do, so yeah, she used brush for my eyelids, and I even showed her what kind of look I want because I don't want any mistakes. So I showed her what kind of look I want. Then she said, yeah, absolutely, I'm gonna do the exact same look. And I was okay, but I was scared. So she continued doing green eyeshadow, but I don't think that was near to my look, anywhere near to my look. And she was coming uh, between the camera, and I asked her to stay away several times, but that's okay. That's why I'm doing this voiceover, because you can't see. But anyways, I have to do this voiceover, and I fast forwarded this whole video and readjusted the camera several times. But and this was the moment when I was really scared, because she put brush into my eyes when she was applying this red sort of eyeshadow, and I don't know what she was doing, and but I don't think that is similar to my look. What I wanted some colorful eyes, but that looks so sad. My eyes look sad. Do you think my eyes look sad? I think. And then I asked her to do some defining to my face actually. Then she did contouring because I asked her to do contour. Then she did, and this is how she did the contouring. You will see the camera is not at all doing justice to this look. Not at all doing justice to this look. but that's okay. You can see she's using very light hands for my face. And after that, she started to use eyeliner. You will see. Oh no, she baked again. Yeah, she baked again. Like I was telling, she's obsessed with baking. So she baked all my face again. And then she used her pink eyeshadow for my blush, which I don't think it's hygienic, but that's fine. She did something, and I fast forwarded this video because it was getting so long. I was very impressed with this because she was using brush for the lipstick, and that is so hygienic. But I was so happy too soon. She used lipstick directly after that, and even she used on my cheeks, and I don't think that is very hygienic, but that's okay. I'm not that allergic to things, but still we should be hygienic. And I was looking like a clown after that. And wait for it, guys, wait for it. Then she put bindi on my face, which was not at all in that look, not at all in that look. She said it looks good or whatever she wanted to say, but I don't know what she did. And because there was some blue in that look, so she applied eyeliner for that matter. But I don't think that was appropriate because I didn't like that. What do you think, guys? And then it was liquid eyeliner, so I spread it, and she had to do her thing. उसने मेरा सही किया, and then फिर पूरा गड़बड़ हो गया. मैंने बहुत सारा गड़बड़ कर दिया इसके अंदर, कुछ ज़्यादा ही फैला दिया. फिर I was tensed. बहुत टेंशन में आ गई कि क्या हो गया, लेकिन she managed to do her things. फिर थोड़ा बहुत ठीक कर दिया, and you will see my final look very soon. I'm not complaining, but she did nicely after जब मैंने पूरा spread कर दिया eyes पे, and I was quite happy. I don't know why. दूर से सब सही लग रहा था. So बस then she went, and yeah.
This is the final look, and it's been 30 minutes since she left, and oh my god, I'm super excited to show you what disaster I have done. And she even took the picture with me, and she actually asked me to she asked me to dress up so that she can take picture of me, and that's why I'm all dressed up, if you can see. So let me show you what she did, because camera was not doing justice to this look. So I don't think my eyes are, जो मैंने उनको बताया था, I don't think कि eyes कुछ भी वैसी हुई हैं. And apart from that, I don't think कि blush भी blend हुआ है अच्छे से. Contouring का तो कुछ हिसाब ही नहीं है. I don't know what she has done to my face, but and this bindi, it was not even in that look which I have shown you guys, and I think I don't know what I have done. And अभी तो मैंने खाना भी कुछ नहीं खाया, and my lipstick has already started to fade. I don't know if I could ever walk into this makeup, or I could ever walk in this makeup on anywhere, because I think I can do better makeup than this, because actually I'm not a makeup artist, or I don't know how to do makeup, but I think I can do better makeup than this. I don't know, guys. You should see what she has done to my face. Like, Oh my god, she did not even put bindi on my face, and I guess if you can see, I don't even like my brows. My god, brows! I don't even like my brows, guys. What is this nonsense? Oh my god. But it was a fun challenge, you guys. It was really fun challenge, and she was really funny, and she was, I mean, she really was good and has a good nature, and she was really good. And apart from the makeup, I think one should be better person, I guess. So she was really a good person, and I really loved it. And she was quite fine too, and she was like talking to me, and I was very comfortable with her because, and that's really important. And apart from that, in talent, and uh, I don't know, but in talent part, I don't think she was that good. But what do you think, guys? The talent is important, or good nature, or both, or whatever. Just comment down below. And I think that's it for this challenge. And अगर दूर से देखे तो अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को, right? But पास से अब देख ही सकते क्या हुआ है मेरा. But ठीक है, लोगों को पास से थोड़ा देखना है, दूर से देखना है तो उस हिसाब से तो अच्छा ही है. ठीक लगता है, पास से तो देखना नहीं है, तो ठीक है. तो I think it's time to sign off now, and okay, see you in the next video. Bye.